Among the beautiful Ashdown forest in East Sussex is the Broadstone Warren Scout Activity Centre and camping site. Nestled among the pine trees, Broadstone Warren Activity Centre supports over 40 individual camping areas that can cater from small groups up to camping for hundreds. Some sites come already with tents and cooking facilities included. Don't fancy camping out in the forest? We have a range of indoor cabins and lodges where you can sleep 4, 18, 25 or 38 people. Some come with log fires and most come with kitchen facilities. Broadstone Warren can provide instruction in snorkelling, axe throwing, abseiling, climbing, bushcraft, archery, air rifle shooting and much more, including sending you down the zip wire. Non-instructed activities include orienteering, grass sledging, potholing, rafting and pedal karts plus many more. You don't need to be a scout to use the facilities, and in fact, we have meeting rooms with internet access, a study centre for 32 students, and team building activities for corporate events. So feel free to give us a call to discuss what you require. Broadstone Warren is an ideal activity centre for getting away from it all in tranquil surroundings any time of the year. Nearby attractions include Winnie the Pooh Country, including Pooh Bridge, Sheffield Park and Garden, the Bluebell Steam Railway, South of England Showground, Ardingly and Weirwood Reservoir and Bowles Outdoor Centre. For more information, to arrange a tour, or to discuss pricing options and availability, please call us on 01342 822 573 or send us an email at inquiries@broadstonewarren.org.uk.